everyone, I'm Joshua Clement, and today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix your broken copper refrigerator line. Now, the problem with these copper lines is a lot of times they get knocked up and bent and pinched when you're pushing back your refrigerator. For this job, we're going to be using a tubular pipe cutter, a flairing tool, a flare union, and 2 flare nuts. So what we'll do is we'll figure out where the damaged area is, and we'll want to cut back past the damaged area because the damaged area is actually bent out of shape, so we got to get back to where it's not bent out of shape. So come back here, tighten up our cutter. You want to be very careful doing this because it is a soft copper, so you don't want to tighten it too fast. Now we'll go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. After the damaged piece is removed, we're going to take this little piece that comes on your pipe cutter and put it into the tubes and return them to their original shape. Make sure you don't push too hard because you could actually bend it out of shape. After that's done, we're going to take our flared nut, put it onto our pipe, take our flairing tool, put it in the appropriate size. In this case, it's a 1/2 inch. Flip over our wing nuts and tighten them down. You want to allow the pipe to stick out no more than 1/4 inch out of the flairing tool. After that's done, we're going to take the other part of the flairing tool, slip it into place, put it over the copper and tighten it down. Then we'll go ahead and flare that copper out. After that's done, loosen up the nuts, remove your copper, and do the same thing to the other piece. After both pieces are flared, we're going to take our union, put it over one side, and tighten it up. Then we'll take the other piece and do the same thing. Now you just tighten them down and your line is repaired. Now they really don't want you using solder and flux on this soft copper because the temperature is too high and can damage the lines. Thank you all for watching and good luck with this project.